always being me. I don't wanna be cool.
Don't wanna be cool.
I ain't tryna be cool.
I ain't tryna be cool.
I just can't stay cool.
Can't stay cool.
What's it like being cool?
What's it like being? Okay, so this is what the eye looks like. It was like 2 or 3 colors, and let me grab the palette. I'm using my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm using the first step. Wow, that just fell out. I'll get that. So the first were these 2 orange shades. So I use them and I blend them together, and I put that in my crease.
Yeah, fuck these niggas cause they always being extra. All these diamonds on me, I don't feel no pressure. Money coming in like I am an investor. She tried to take a break but I already left her.
So I'm going to be taking this brush and let's see, just take any brown shade. Actually, no, just take a light brown. I'm going to be taking a light brown, probably taking this one, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting that, actually not a lot, but I'm going to be putting it on my crease just to like darken it a little bit. I'm like barely even putting it in this shade, but just to, you know, make it a little bit darker. Nothing too dramatic.
Car, yeah, whoa. Look up at the stars, it's like whoa. No feelings involved, yeah, no feelings involved. Put that on my dogs, I say no feelings involved. Put that on my dogs, put that on my dogs, I said no feelings involved. Okay, I don't need it, I don't need it, I don't want it, I won't keep it. Matter of fact, I might delete it and repeat it, yeah. Why you keep on going?
I'm using this brush. It's not picking it up, but that's like the shimmer. And I'm taking this right here. And it's really pretty. I wish I could show you on my finger, but I can't. So I'm just going to show you on the brush. Again, it's not picking it up at all, but that's fine. But I just put that on my lid.
Yeah, looking like a fool, like a dog barking at the moon. Cause I'm shining, like look at these diamonds, like look at these diamonds. Some of these niggas, I swear they be lying. I never keep it, you know I would not. Doing these drugs, yeah, I'm out of my body. Yeah, out of my body. Really?
What is that? Yeah, Louis shirt, Louis hat, yeah, bad girl, yeah, and she booty fat.
So that's basically it for my eyeshadow. So I'm just blending this out again. Just going to be doing the rest of my makeup, and I'll get back to you guys shortly, so hold on. Okay, so I did the rest of my face. Look at my highlight. Again, Anastasia, even though they don't sell it anymore, that glow one, I'm using this very, like, I don't use a lot of it. Like, I've had this for like a year and some months, and I still have a lot because I don't wear makeup that well. Actually, I kind of do once a week, twice a week, and I still have a lot. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is that I'm done, and this is, you know, what it's looking like when it all comes together. So yeah, I really like it. And yeah, I don't know why this lamp is just not, I should just not even touch it. So again, this is just the final look, and yeah, I like this. So it's like basic, but like not too basic, you know, like it still has that, like, you know, y'all know, you know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. So don't forget to, you know, give it a thumbs up and comment anything. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the, my hands are so dirty. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.